Hey my friends, welcome back to BrainStellar. The BrainStellar back with the twisty challenges. Are you ready for today's challenge? Today, you are not just designing a house, you are crafting a magical masterpiece. Get ready for a 40 luxury pact. Would you rather questions where every choice shapes a home straight out of your imagination? The possibilities are endless. Before we start, please like this video and smash that subscribe button. And now let's get started. Which mansion do you prefer first, second, or third? Choose which balcony do you prefer. Here's something fun. Which swimming pool do you like? Relax in style, choose your jacuzzi. Which kitchen feels more like home to you? Stay sharp and keep your eyes on the screen and spot the teddy. Good job, it's on the third place. Choose your bedroom for sweet dreams. Which living room feels more like home to you? Let's make it dreamy. Which bathroom fits your style? Choose your entrance. Which one is picture perfect? Which one garden is the coziest? Go for your dream garage. It's movie time. Choose your home cinema. Stay fit. Which one do you prefer? What does your perfect bookshelf look like? Find the odd emoji before the time runs out. Good job. Which fireplace do you love the most? Time to dress up. Choose your walk-in closet. Choose your rooftop. Choose your guest house. What's your dream view from the window? Which PS5 do you want? Time to go up in style. Which one do you prefer? Which one floor do you prefer the most? Where will you sleep? Which bed do you prefer? All right, dog lovers, it's your turn. What would you rather choose? Have these eyebrows or like and subscribe? Choose your neon sign. Choose your mirror. Choose your dining table. Which one looked the fanciest? What do you want your gaming room to look like? Rock back and relax. Choose your rocking chair. Knock, knock. Choose your door to welcome guest. Now it's time to choose your dream workplace. Time to get cozy. Choose your sofa bed and chill out. Vroom, vroom, what will you drive? Choose your villa pool. Which painting do you prefer? Choose your guitar, first, second, third. All right, it's challenge time. First, second, or third. Which one will you choose? Time to climb up in style. Which staircase do you prefer? Which night lamp do you prefer? Which couch will make you the most comfortable? Choose your house location. Which one is the most relaxing? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press subscribe button and turn on notification. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.